My name is Talia Lieber, and I'm from Rockville, Maryland. I'm a graduate student at the University of California, Los Angeles, in the Department of Art History, studying African art. This summer, I worked in the African and Middle Eastern Division, working with the African Poster Collection, under the supervision of my project mentor, Laverne Page. Under charge of the African section of the African and Middle Eastern Division is reference, bibliographic, and collection development for 51 countries in sub-Saharan Africa. The African Poster Collection is made up of 684 posters from the African continent. My project was to organize and document a selection of these posters as we locate them in storage and to facilitate their initial digitization, metadata, and proper housing so that they may be accessible to scholars, researchers, and the public in our reading room. The posters in the collection range in subject matter, with images and messages related to African politics, boycotts, elections, public health campaigns, education, sporting events, calendars, demographics, and more. For example, the poster at the bottom left was sponsored by the Workers' Party of Ethiopia and is one of several publications in the library's collection, produced by the party's Propaganda and Culture Committee to mark the 10th anniversary of Ethiopia's revolution in 1974. Printed as part of the announcement of the National Sports Festival, the chromolithograph depicts 3 runners in the foreground, sprinting on a track before a crowd of spectators. The Amharic script refers to the year 1976 in the Ethiopian calendar. In addition, the African section features a growing informational collection of posters. The poster in the upper left is from Botswana. Although it is in the African section poster collection, the poster is housed in the Prints and Photographs division. Here we see examples of 4 postage stamps depicting children playing with traditional toys of Botswana, including carved forms in the shape of cattle. This color screen print, second from the bottom left, is from Monrovia, Liberia, now held in the Prints and Photographs division, and it features the national flag of Liberia, which was founded by a group of free people of color and formerly enslaved people, primarily from the United States. The flag is identifiable by a single star and resembles the US flag in its design. Finally, the 2 posters in the bottom right contain no imagery, only words signifying anti-apartheid sentiments and activists and sympathizers. The black and white poster in the lower right was printed as a part of the Solidarity campaign supporting the liberation of South Africa and Namibia. The poster next to it, to the very left, was featured as part of an exhibition curated by Library of Congress staff at the White House on April 2, 1999, during the Millennium Lecture Series, hosted by President Bill Clinton and First Lady Hillary Clinton, the night when Elie Wiesel, a Holocaust survivor, Nobel laureate, and the author of Night, gave the speech, The Perils of Indifference. The poster serves also as a decal in that it contains an adhesive on its reverse side so that it can be stuck onto a wall or vehicle. The poster appears as a warning sign, cautioning approaching viewers of South African goods contaminated with the violence of apartheid. These images exemplify the kinds of materials held in the African section poster collection. Through this project, as part of the Junior Fellows program, it is our hope to contribute, to organize and examine and continue to write about these posters, to create more opportunities for scholarship about the African continent and the African diaspora. I am eager to support this project at the Library of Congress that enables scholars from around the globe to access these important materials for their research, and for members of the public to see firsthand the kinds of stories and images embedded within them.